Hi, I'm here today with the Pokemon Battle Academy set versus Deluxe Battle Deck. This is the Koraidon Battle Deck, but the premise is the same. So I want to explain a little bit about the differences here and why I should choose one over the other. Now, a Battle Deck is a ready-to-play deck. You get a deck of 60 cards here with one special card. So in this one is Koraidon. You get two of these Koraidons and then also another special card here, the Sandy Shocks. So every one of these battle decks has one or two of these special cards. So you can get a deluxe battle deck with the Pokemon X. You have some which have Pokemon V as a special one. But the cool thing here is this is a ready-to-play deck. If you get a booster pack, there's a small one with just a few cards, and even if you get a few of those, you still wouldn't be able to play the game because you need enough energy cards, just a few Pokemon, and also trainer cards in there to make like a full deck of 60 cards to be able to play. So this battle deck is really cool. You get one deck, and it's a very advanced deck. You also get a few markers here, so you can show how much damage your Pokemon has, and a few markers here for special conditions on your Pokemon, and a coin for flipping a coin. Who goes first, and some cards need a coin flip. So that's a deluxe battle deck. It really is deluxe, and you also get a marker here, a placemat for one player, so you can play on it. You can see you have to put your active Pokemon here to play. Here's your deck, here's your discard pile, here's your bench, and here's your prize cards. Now, if you get the Pokemon Battle Academy, that is a little more, a little larger, and also a little more for beginner players. You get 3 decks with this one, and those decks are a little more basic than the deluxe battle deck. So, but they're also ready to play, and you get 3 here, so you can go one-on-one, and then this is a little bit more advanced than those basic ones. But what it also has is you have this rule reference book in there. You have a starting guide on the deck with exact steps on, well, showing you how to play this, with the first few steps are with the deck in the correct order, so you know exactly how to play it and how to evolve a Pokemon, how to attach energy cards. So this is really a solution if you don't have any idea and you don't know anyone who plays the game. And you also get, and this is a cardboard playmat for 2 players, so both can put their cards on there, which is really cool. And this is just like a paper thing in deluxe battle deck, but this is actually almost like a board game here. So the quality is very cool there. You also get markers, flip a coin, so those 3 decks. So that's cool. So those are, I think, the most, well, most common differences here between the two. If you already have a lot of Pokemon, or you already play Pokemon, but you just want to get into building another deck, I think this is really cool. If you're really just starting out, and especially if you have 2 siblings perhaps who both want to get into Pokemon, then getting like this Battle Academy where you can get into it from scratch, which has really helped me and my son to get into it the first time. You have complete decks that you can play. You can always expand on them. So I think this is a really cool set. So those are the differences. I hope this video has helped you make your choice.